Today we continue topic linear programming problems. Let us study first point here as a feasible solution. Definition first, a solution which satisfies all the constraints is called a feasible solution. Simple definition here, a solution which satisfies all the constraints called as feasible solution. Meaning of constraint you already learned. I repeat again here. The linear equations or inequations are known as constraints. So the solution satisfies these all the constraints given in the problem. So solution is said to be feasible solution. We continue numericals from exercise 7.2. Question: find the feasible solution of the following inequations graphically. First inequation given here, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18. Second, 2x plus y less than or equal to 10. Third, x greater than or equal to 0. Next, y greater than or equal to 0. To find out feasible solution graphically. Technique for finding solution. Let us see. Solution. To find the feasible solution, first prepare a table for the given inequations. To draw the lines from inequations, writing equations. Inequalities removed by equalities sign. Then see tabular form. First column for given inequations. Second for corresponding equation of line. To determine points on x-axis or y-axis, both we require inequality sign. From that sign to decide region. Simple thing, if inequality sign is getting here less than, check condition at origin test. Condition true, region selected towards origin side. If condition fails, region selected non-origin side, that is away from origin. Let us see first one in equation, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18. Equation of line is equality used, 3x plus 2y equal to 18. Then to determine point on x-axis. For x-axis, value of y coordinate 0. 3x plus 2 times y equal to 0. In that y is 0. This total term becomes 0. Remaining 3x is equal to 18. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Point as coordinate obtained 6, 0. Let us write as a first point name as A. A has coordinate 6, 0. Next, determine point on y-axis. So for y-axis, x coordinate value is 0. 3 times x become 0. Remaining 2 times y equal to 18. Therefore, y is equal to 9. X coordinate value 0, y is obtained 9. So point is getting 0, 9. Check. Inequality sign here, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to sign is there. Next, to select region, inequality, x value, y value, both substitute as a 0, that is origin test. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 is less than 18. Condition satisfied. It is correct. 0 less than 18. So region selected as origin side. If your condition get failed, region will be selected non-origin side. Second inequation. 2x plus y less than or equal to 10. Taken here. Then corresponding equation of line, use equality sign, getting equation of line as 2x plus y equal to 10. Next thing, same to find out point on x-axis. For x-axis, value of y coordinate 0. Remaining 2 times of x is equal to 10, means x is equal to 5. Coordinate for point 5 comma 0. So next line, point is taken as a C, 5 comma 0. For point on y-axis, its x coordinate 0, 2 times 0 becomes 0. Remaining is y equal to 10. Hence, point D is taken as a coordinates 0, 10. Inequality sign less than or equal to region, origin, side. Same. And last for non-negativity restrictions. Given x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Take both combinedly. Equation of lines are x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. These equations represents lines, that is axis, x-axis and y-axis. But check in the inequations here. Both value for x and y are greater than or equal to 0. Both are positive only in first quadrant. So you are selecting region from first quadrant. This is the step number first, preparation of a tabular form. Now, next step for graph of linear inequations. Check x-axis, y-axis. X-axis maximum intercept value with 6, and for y maximum is 10. By your choice, you can take a scale on axis as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit or 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit, as per your choice. I am taking here on both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. To draw lines, first line AB, point A has coordinate 6, 0, that is on x-axis. Check this, 6, 0, point is getting. Next point B has coordinate 0, 9 on y-axis. 0, 9 is here. Join these 2 points A and B, getting a line AB, 3x plus 2y equal to 18. Then you are selecting region. Region is towards origin side. So make arrows towards origin side from this line. Check. Arrows towards origin side. Origin side. Okay. Now, next one for second line CD. Point C has coordinate 5, 0, x-axis. Point C is here. Next, point D on y-axis, 0, 10, above this point B, 0, 10. Join this point C and D. Next line, 2x plus y equal to 10 is of 10. One more thing remaining, region for this line, origin side. Check region towards origin side from that line, below part, below the line, that is origin side. And last is shaded region. So check the region which satisfies all these conditions. Conditions of constraints, these inequations, both are towards origin side. So common portion become this shaded part for both inequations satisfying the condition. Shade this region properly without any mistake, and then write below conclusion as a shaded portion represents feasible solution. We continue one more problem of the same type. Let us see next one. Question same, find the feasible solution of the following inequations graphically. Inequations given are 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. Second, 4x plus 7y less than or equal to 28. Third, y greater than or equal to 1. Fourth, x greater than or equal to 0. And fifth, y greater than or equal to 0. These are the inequations given. Let us solve this problem. Solution. Step number first, given inequations. We are writing 1, 2, 3. Last are the inequalities related to the non-negativity restrictions. No need to write here. Then equation of lines are: first one 3x plus 4y equal to 12, second 4x plus 7y equal to 28, and third line y equal to 1. Now we have to determine points on axis, x-axis as well as y-axis, then region condition. Let us see next part here. Tabular form. First column for inequation, second for equation of line, third for axis to determine points on x-axis and y-axis, then sign inequality, and then last is region. Observe properly. First one, inequation 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. Corresponding equation of line is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. To determine point on axis, x-axis, y coordinate value 0, then y 0 means 4 times y also 0. Remaining 3x is equal to 12, x is equal to, yes, 4. So point A has coordinate 4, 0. Next, to determine point on y-axis, its x coordinate value 0, 3 times x becomes 0. Remaining 4y equal to 12 means y equal to 3. So point B has coordinate 0, 3. Inequality has sign greater than or equal to sign. Origin test. Substitute both value for x and y as a 0 in the inequation. 0 plus 0 total 0. 0 greater than 12. Is it correct? No. Condition fails. Hence, region selected non-origin side. So whenever inequality has a greater than or equal to sign, region is getting non-origin side. And for less than or equal to, region is towards origin side. Next one. Second inequation, 4x plus 7y less than or equal to 28. Corresponding equation of line is 4x plus 7y equal to 28. To find point on axis, x-axis as well as y-axis. X-axis, y value 0, 4x is equal to 28, x equal to 7. So point has coordinate C, 7, 0. Next for point D, y-axis, x coordinate value 0, 7y equal to 28, y equal to 4. So D has coordinate 0, 4. Inequality sign less than or equal to. Region selected towards origin side. After this, next inequality check. Given as a inequation y greater than or equal to 1, its corresponding equation of line is y equal to 1. Line y is equal to 1. Simply parallel to x-axis at a distance 1 unit. Line y equal to 1 is parallel to x-axis. Then inequality sign is greater than or equal to region selected non-origin side. Now finally, remaining non-negativity restrictions, both right combinedly, x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Equation of lines are x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Represents axis. And both are positive. Region lies in first quadrant. This is tabular form. After tabular form, we come to graph. Graph of inequations. X-axis, y-axis. X-axis maximum value 7. Y-axis maximum intercept value 4. So your choice again simply, you can take a scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Like this. To draw first line as a AB, point A has coordinate 4, 0 on x-axis. Next, point B 0, 3 on y-axis at a distance 3 unit. Join these 2 points. First line AB is obtained. Equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Next, second line CD. C has coordinate 7, 0 on x-axis. 7, 0. Sorry. Region is remaining for the first inequation. Non-origin side, that is away from origin. Don't forget this. After that, next one, second line CD. C has coordinate 7, 0 on x-axis. D point y-axis 0, 4 at a distance 4 unit. Join these 2 points C and D. Line 4x plus 7y equal to 28 is obtained. Region for this line is towards origin side. Arrows towards origin side from the line. Check. Arrows towards origin side. One more line is remaining. That is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 parallel to x-axis at a distance 1 unit. Check this, 1 unit distance. Line is parallel to x-axis is drawn. And region is selected towards non-origin side. Non-origin side, that is above the line. Above the line. And then finally, region which satisfies all the conditions of the inequations. Y equal to 1 line above this line. Line AB also above. And line CD below. So this part will become the common for all these inequations. Check. Shaded part. Satisfying all the conditions. Conclusion below. Shaded portion represents feasible solution. Okay, children. In this session, you have learned how to shade the region or how to find out the feasible solution if you have provided inequations. Next lecture, we continue for problems related to the optimization. Thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.